Do you want to add hashtags to Facebook Reels? You can post Facebook Reels with a hashtag with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add hashtags to Facebook Reels, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap on the Create Plus icon at the top of the screen and select Reel from the pop-up menu. Now, record a new video or upload one from your device's gallery. After the video is ready, tap on Next to go to the posting screen. Here, you will see the caption box where you can write text for your reel. Tap on the description box and select the hashtag option from the bottom of the box. Now, type the hashtags you want to add. You can add multiple keywords in the caption to increase the reach of your reel. Once done, review your reel settings and tap on Share Reel. Your Facebook Reel will now be posted with the hashtags you included in the caption, making it easier for people to discover your content.